It is a 1934 Type 57 Bugatti. It's the only one that was bodied by Franay. Belonged originally to a silent movie actress named Hella Hartwich. Over the years, we've learned a lot about collecting and investing in cars. We're adding cars like this to the collection because having cars of this notoriety increase the value of the entire collection. Makes the less expensive cars worth more because it's associated with this. And Bugatti was a great car. I drove this car to the show today. And it goes down the road like a brand new one. Yeah, the quality of this restoration is just over the top. And this is one of those love at first sight type cars. And fortunately, it sold at a price that I could squeeze out of my budget. So it was restored to basically the same specs of the original owner, Hella Hartwich. It originally had a ostrich interior in it, and I'm not certain that this is the correct color because all the pictures that I ever saw were black and white. But this was the color that they chose when they restored it, and I think it works on this car. I probably would never pick ostrich, but it works on this car. The second owner replaced the trunk with a rumble seat so he'd have more passenger capacity. And that was done in the early 40s. Oh, that is the famous Bugatti straight 8 engine. This was one of the few cars that was built to be a race car. And then, because they were successful race cars, people commissioned them to be bodied for personal use. So this was a car that you could drive to the grocery store and then take it and race on the Millie Meagle. The old cars is a labor of love for me. And the biggest criteria is you have to love it. If I don't buy cars that I don't like. And it's easy to fall in love with a car like this. But and of course, I love a lot of Mustangs and Chevelles and other cars too. I'm a non-discriminatory investor.